Hi everyone, and welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name's David, and in this session I'm going to be looking at incorporating AI skills into writing lessons and writing courses. Now, AI is here to stay. There's no denying it. It's a part of everyday life. And for me, it's not just about talking to students about how AI can create personalized exercises for them to do, or how we can use it to plan our lessons. It's more than that. We need to be teaching our students the skills they need to create their own texts using AI tools. Now, these skills could be things like analyzing responses from an AI tool or writing effective prompts to get effective responses. It could also be, and I think this is the most important, inserting their own voice into these texts to make them undeniably theirs. In this session, we'll also dig into what is cheating? What does it really mean to use an AI tool to create your own text? Is that cheating, or is that just using the tools around you? So we'll explore these ideas and more. Really looking forward to seeing you all there.